big excitement for my family.
So we went with these friends to Phuket.
A baby elephant taking a bath is adorable. We're trying to do the ethical elephant experience.
We didn't get to ride elephants because apparently when people ride elephants it hurts their backs a lot. I didn't know that. I figured since they're giant creatures it just... Anyway.
So we went to an elephant sanctuary in Phuket with a couple of friends of ours.
So I was a little skeptical going in because I just didn't have this huge desire to go roll around with elephants.
I love elephants.
Oh my goodness.
So first they did this cooking class thing where...
Learned how to make pad thai. Ivy got to participate a little bit.
I took a little bowl of veggies and dumped it into a hot pan.
Yes, all of it. Go, you want to try? Come here. Yes, come on. We also got to see a papaya. Some people make papaya. Pad thai, I meant that.
I don't know what that has to do with elephants.
Be careful your hand, okay? Hold it.
I had rice and chicken for lunch.
Once we were fed, we got ready to feed the elephants. They eat a lot.
We started out by preparing elephant food, shucking corn. Ivy and Amelia both got into it pretty well. Ivy showed off her crazy strengths.
Breaking the corn was really hard. Dad, can you help me break this?
Ready?
But whenever I do it, it's uneven.
Says who?
But I did it.
We chopped sugar cane.
There you go.
Yeah, it was really fun. At first, I got to chop up food and bamboo and give it to the elephants. I cut bamboo with a giant knife. Sugar cane, that's what I meant.
I got to use a big knife to cut the sugar cane.
There you go.
So feeding an elephant, it's like you have to hold out the bamboo, and they're just like wrap their trunks around it and just like they would like take a lot of it, like instead of one at a time. I knew that. Sugar cane, not bamboo, sugar cane, that's what I meant.
Hi. Hi, Mama.
Yeah, I fed an elephant directly in the mouth. It was slobbery and...
Family?
Elephants eat a lot. I don't know the precise amount, but a lot.
Just so dang big.
At one point, we got to go pet this big pregnant elephant. But we got to pet her and feel the baby elephant inside. Or she had gas, but either way, there was a little rumbling going on in there. Elephants eat a lot.
I may have fed one or two. I did participate a little. We're getting ready to go into, the swimming with the elephants thing. Can't bring anything with you, including cameras, unless it's waterproof. And mine was kind of waterproof. And as we get down towards the water, I'm like, no, this is silly. I want the camera. So I run back and I get the camera.
We took a mud bath with the elephants.
And by the time I come back, it's like this whole weird scene. It's like a mix between mud wrestling and I don't even know what. It was just
We got on our suits and we went into the mud with them. I didn't think it would be that fun actually, but it was actually fun getting muddy and putting mud on the elephants.
A lot of thongs there.
We got really muddy. I liked it.
And all elephants doing all kinds of things, rolling around this mud, almost taking people out as they kind of roll around. Not that much supervision. Even the trainers and the people supposed to be helping were mostly focused on getting mud onto people.
I don't really like being in a bathing suit.
Oh my God, Dad, are you getting that?
For an elephant, I'll do that. Mike was exempt from most of these things because he was holding the camera. Mike was there too.
We got to go in the water with the elephants and scrub them. Scrubbers.
That's what he likes.
They give you this full access. Like you can go up there, you can scrub them down.
Yeah, we got to scrub the elephants, and the elephants sprayed water at me. And then we played around and had fun. I think I got some water in my mouth. I don't know.
I've always enjoyed cleaning things.
Fairly safe.
Oh yeah, and then when they got out of the water and put dirt on themselves, and they just rolled around in it and they're like puppies.
Okay, enough that. I was not scared.
Just to have that opportunity for our girls to do that, and by girls I mean Amanda too. That was awesome.
It was amazing and it was awesome, and like I love elephants. They were like big, awesome creatures.
They're really amazing creatures and they are really cute.